Hello everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with my new friend, and you always get here English related videos, and I always try to do make such type of videos. I hope this video would be helpful to you, and if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So guys, without wasting time, let's get start. Hello.
Hello. Hi, Tipu.
Yeah. And how are doing?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also doing good. Yes.
Okay, how was your day?
My day was very well,
Okay.
and your?
Yeah, it's going fine. As you know,
Okay.
today is Sunday, so my office is off. That's why I'm free.
Okay. And I would like to ask you, could you please tell me something about yourself? Yes.
Okay. So let me introduce in brief. Okay, so my name is Avi, as you know,
Yes.
and I'm from basically Patna, Bihar, but right now live in Noida. Okay, and I'm doing job here. It
Yes.
has been 4 years to moved here in Noida, and I'm living here along with my family. Okay.
Yes.
And if you talk about my qualification, I have done graduation BSc Mathematics in 2019. That year was completed. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm doing job here in mobile manufacturing company. As you know, Noida is the industrial hub. Do you know where is Noida located?
Actually, I listen, but I didn't visit Noida.
Okay. It's located in UP, Uttar Pradesh, but some people know Noida by Delhi because Delhi and Noida is nearby. It takes only 1 hour to be- reach in Delhi. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So tell me something about yourself.
Yeah. This is Tipu Thakur. I am from Jharkhand, which falls in Godda district, and currently I am staying at Godda. Yes,
Okay,
yeah, and my study is going on. I currently I am pursuing graduation. Yeah, I am in a
okay,
second year. Yes, and
okay. So yeah,
yeah, ask
so
me.
right, right now you are in hostel, right?
Yes, I am living at a
So,
hostel.
so what are you pursuing over there? Like what kind of academic study?
Already mentioned you. I am pursuing graduation with English honors.
Okay, which year is going on?
Yeah, this is my second year. My second year is going on.
Okay. And before that, what have you done in intermediate? Which stream have you done intermediate?
Yes. I opted in intermediate science stream. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
How much marks have you got?
I scored 375 marks in my intermediate.
Okay, that's huge. Very
Yes.
nice.
Thank
And if I
you.
talk about 10th, what have you got?
Yes. As well as I scored in matric exam 80% mark
Yeah.
from from Bihar board.
Okay, Bihar board.
Yes.
I have done all the academic education also from Bihar. And
Yes.
yeah, so actually right now I'm not doing and pursuing any kind of academic education, but I thought I should do MBA, but I got to know about MBA one thing like we can do any kind of stage, any stage of life we can do MBA. Okay, so
Yes.
I thought that I will do some other time like some next year. So I postponed this.
Okay. Mm. And may I know what is your purpose for learning English, and why are you learning English? What
Okay,
is
okay.
the reason?
Uh, Okay, okay.
Yes.
Actually, I'm doing job in manufacturing company. It's a mobile manufacturing company. Okay.
Yes.
And it's a Chinese mobile manufacturing company. Have you heard about itel, Infinix, and Techno brand?
Yes.
Which one have you heard?
Which one?
I itel, Infinix, Techno. Have you heard these three brands ever?
Yes. 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 I know.
Which one? Which one have you heard? itel?
I tell.
Okay, okay. These three brands are manufactured in my company. My company name is Transian India Private Limited. Okay. When
Yes.
you go on Google and write down their Transian India Private Limited, you find that Transian Holding Company. It's a multinational company, I think, and
Yes.
it's manufacture mainly three brands and sell in India as well as other country. So as I mentioned, it's a Chinese company, so so many Chinese over there for working. So sometime I have to talk to them, and like uh, like how can I say? Sometime I have to get approval from them, so I have to convince them. So
Yeah.
I don't know how to talk in Chinese, but I can talk in English little bit. So that's the need I have learn English.
Okay. Means you want to communicate each other. Yeah, in English.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
And second reason is now the time English is become global language
yeah.
and it's essential for living. That's why.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Nowadays, English is become English. It become essential part of my life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And
So tell me something about your YouTube journey. When did you start and when did you think like that you should start YouTube and how much time do you spend to making video in on YouTube?
I'm telling something about my YouTube journey. Yes. Actually, I opened my YouTube channel in 2020. Yes.
Okay. In lockdown.
Yeah. Yeah. In
That year
lockdown.
was lockdown. Okay.
when I when I was at home, yeah, there was no any work, what to do and what not to do. I I was not getting understand. Okay, then I
Okay.
then I thought let's start a YouTube channel. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Then suddenly I create a YouTube channel and I started to make videos.
Okay. 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 So how much subscriber have you gained right now?
Right now, I I have gained 397 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
Okay. That's
Yes.
nice.
Yeah.
So it takes 2 years, I think.
No. Actually, I am saying to you, it is not. I was not working continuously. Okay.
Okay.
After some time, I left and
Okay.
continuously I am working for 3 months.
Working. Okay, working on YouTube.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, you can say
That's very nice.
I am making videos for 3 months on YouTube.
So, what is
As,
your purpose
as
in your life? Like, what will you do after completing your graduation? Have you planned or not?
actually, I want to become in my future a good teacher. Yes, I want to teach
Good teacher
another
of what? Good
English
teacher for what?
English
Okay,
teacher. Yes, I want to teach another person.
okay,
Yes, that that's why I opted in my graduation English honors. Yeah, after pursuing graduation, I will do B.Ed.
okay, okay.
Yes,
So, if I talk about your family background, how many members in your family?
yes, yes. As far as my family, there are four members in my family: me and my younger brother, and my father and my
Okay,
mother.
okay,
And
that's nice.
my
So,
1 minute, sorry to interrupt you. My brother is
okay,
studying in 12th class, and my
okay,
mother is homemaker, and father um, my father does work in a small company. Yes,
okay,
and my as well as my father does farming.
okay, that's
And
nice. So,
and yes, yes, ask me.
so, so you don't ever think like that you should earn some money to help your financial problem in your home, like you are uh, like when I was in completed my 12th, I thought that should help my family situation. For that I should learn or something earn. So you just only learn right now, and you don't ever think like you should join some companies or some work palace for earning something.
I am giving a tuition, okay, home tuition, as well as I am earning
Okay,
money. Yes,
okay, okay,
I spend 2 hours 2 hours on in the coaching
mm, nice.
uh, for earning money.
Okay, so you want to become a English teacher in government job?
Yes, yes, government job. Yes,
Okay,
I
okay,
government apart from I have a YouTube channel. I am making videos on my YouTube channel. Yes, I want to increase my YouTube channel.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Actually, when I watch see your first video, that time I think you not wear glasses, but right now we wearing glasses. So when did you realize that you have some problem like eyes?
Yes, yes, yes. I have some problem. Yes, actually, when I watch any videos, yeah, when I use
Okay,
phone, yes, then suddenly it started pain in my head. Okay, yes, I have a
okay,
headache.
okay,
Okay, yeah, that's why when I use phone, then I use glass.
okay, okay.
Yes.
How old are you?
Yeah, I am 20 turn in this year.
20. Okay. So I think you have more to explore that, and now you are just 20, so you have lots of time to do in your life. So right now it's enough to conversation. I want to complete this conversation and wind up. So thanks to talking with me and nice to have conversation with me. Bye.
Yes, yes, thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity and thank you for giving your precious time to me.